Hi fam, it's another time to decorate together. Yes, together with you. It's doable. Trust me guys, you can do it by yourself. So today I'll be making a jungle safari theme, and I'll be making use of some different shades of green. For this I started with the mint green inflated into a pear, and then I'll be using 30 pieces of dark green balloon. I also paired them up. Next, I'll be inflating my 12-inch metallic green. Yes, and then I pair them up as well. This would help us to build our garlands more easily. Then I'll be inflating our gold 12-inch gold metallic balloons. I also paired them up. So the total number of these balloons that I used were 90, which comprise of 30 pieces of 10-inch dark green, 20 pieces of 10-inch mint green, 20 pieces of 12-inch metallic green, 10 pieces of 12-inch metallic golden balloons, and 10 pieces of 12-inch golden confetti balloons. I will be showing you how I inflated my confetti balloons. I'm making this garland for a birthday. It's a baby girl who will be celebrating her second year birthday, but this design can be used for any occasion guys, trust me, either for wedding, any indoor activity, baby showers, name reveal, indoor wedding, or any other occasion that you might be having. Trust me, you can do it, and it's very lovely. You would love the outcome. For confetti balloons, in order to create a static, I put some water, just a little bit of water into the balloon, rubbed them together and inflated my balloons. Guys, it came out lovely. Previously I would either rub it on the rug, use a cloth to rub the balloon, and which would create static, but this time around I just put some water into the balloon and it created the static, and this stayed for a long time. It did not drop, it stuck to the balloon and it stayed there for a long time. So if you want to do this, you can either put in some water, rub it together and inflate your balloons, or you can create the static by rubbing it on surface to give you an amazing result. Now I'm inflating my 5-inch balloons. For this I used 20 pieces 5-inch dark green balloons and 20 pieces 5-inch metallic green balloons. Guys, please remember to press the balloon down to give it a roundish shape instead of an oval shape. This helps your design to come out more beautiful. If you're yet to join this amazing decorating family, please click on the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we have new videos. Guys, it's time to start building our garlands. I will be taking the balloons in pairs, placing them one over the other. You don't have to follow a particular pattern, trust me guys. Just build your garland by placing each pair over the other, holding them in place either with your curly ribbon or with your fishing line. For me, in this particular video, I'm using the curly ribbon. I prefer it. It's more flexible for me to use. So I'm placing the balloons one over the other in pairs. You don't have to follow a particular order. Pick the colors of your choice as you want it to be, and you would have an amazingly beautiful garland. If you have any questions or there is a particular design you would like us to work on, please leave the comment in the comment section. We'll make effort to respond to your comments and answer your questions. You'll notice that for this garland, I did not add the 5-inch balloons yet. This is because I will be adding them later. So for building up the garland at this point is just to add our 10-inch balloons and our 12-inch balloons. The 5-inch balloons will be added later, you would see it. So just build up your garland, build guys, and it's going to come out so beautiful. So we have finished building up our garland at this point, guys. We'll be attaching it to our frame. I used the long balloon. Some may call it the 260 balloon or the long balloon. It's more flexible for me to use than the ribbon. So I attach the 260 long balloon to the garland and attach it to the frame. This is what would hold the garland in place, and it held it really firmly. I attached it in 3 places, one at the bottom, two on top, and it helped hold the garland firmly to the frame. I inflated our 4D golden balloons. Using the handheld pump is more easier for me than to use. So I used 3 of the 4D golden balloons. I attached the long balloon to the tip, rolled it over, and then knotted it. And this helped to place it firmly on our garland. Time to put our 5-inch balloon on our garland. So I used the long balloon. One of the balloons popped there, the confetti balloon, so it popped all over me. But I replaced it with another one using the long balloon to hold it with the other balloon. So it was just like as if nothing was missing there, and it still came out so beautiful. So I'm using the 5-inch balloons as an accessory around the garland. I just use the long balloons, attach the 5-inch balloons on both ends, and then use it as a decor around the garland, just place it anywhere that you like, as you like. Fill in the spaces that may be opened due to the Garland not filling up properly. So your 5-inch balloons will do the best job there. You don't have to worry if you have some spaces to fill. For instance, this place, you can see, yeah, so I have a space there and I'll be filling it up with a 5-inch balloon. So guys, this really did a good job for me. For this, I eventually didn't use a lot of leaves because it was becoming too busy for me and I didn't like it. So I just used about 3 leaves, which came with the pack when I got it. I got this particular pack online. I'm going to link it in the description section. So just giving some finishing touches to it. For that 3D number, I did it. I was the one who made it. I will be posting the video on how I did it in a few days. Watch out for it. So this is what we have, guys. If you have enjoyed this, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section. Share this video with friends and families. Recommend this video and try to do it yourself. I'm sure you will be able to do it. You can do it. And guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. And before then, stay positive. You can do it.